Eris, say, say, hi vlog. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, you guys. So Eris, pas gen 3 ans.
Yeah, Eris pas gen 3 ans.
Et puis li remen gade deyòooo, so fana achete un chaise pour le face forward.
Yeah.
Parce que nous still gen un chaise da pa de.
Yeah, ça quand Eris chaque fois n'a pas dit il veut
Besoin big pour le deyòooo. So,
yeah, so.
n'a pas acheté une nouvelle chaise pour Eris.
Yeah, n'a pas acheté chaise là, yeah. Parce que nous gen des 3 petits bagages nous voulons faire. Yeah, c'est ça nous fait. Yeah.
Eris pare, depuis ou regarde Eris get en sous li, let's go, il besoin sortir. Ouais, comment
Yeah, get ready.
Puis quand on mette la terre, puis quand on fait nothing, he just play go.
Ready.
Okay, pan pote dlo. Pan pote de dlo.
Yeah, did logo. Eris pas besoin de l'eau. N'a pas de l'eau par nous.
Combien pan pote un petit apple juice?
Yeah, get her apple juice, yeah. Apple juice, please.
Apple juice. Apple juice. Where is dlo?
Qui sont encore besoin? That's it.
Quoi ça c'est bon?
C'est ça. Yeah, no bon. On a des places. That's it.
Okay guys, so now get ready pour aller. Na pour aller, ma pote dlo yo et puis
Okay.
fermer toute lumière. Ou pas fermer lumière.
M fèk pala avè fwè mwen la. M chè di it's 2 degrè. M fè fwè di an pil nou yo. E pi nou mèm lan 80 la. Wè, montre yo. 80 yè la. Nou pral mouton bel timon kon sa soleil de yo. A get a fè nou an nou yo. Si sa fèm toujou ap di yo fò vini New York. M konen nou ap gade. Vini California. M konen ap gade. Eris, di yo vini California? E ba vwe? Yeah, you want that, right? You want them to come to California?
Let's do this.
Yes, let's do this.
Good job.
Yes, Eris, let's do this. Let's go.
Let's do this, girl.
Eris di an nou ale. Pasi Eris bezwan moute mon. Let's go. An ale.
Eris ap mache.
Hi. Come up. Let's go up. Oh, look at them. Let's go up in nature.
Up we go.
The shift is now. Tomorrow, not later. Now when the world tells me I'm ready.
Okay guys, so kunya nap desan. Nou te moute pi wo. But bakon si nou te moute nou view but kunya nap desan wana pou nou ale. And then nap la pou next weekend. Pou nou fè sa anko.
Still gonna go.
Gotta be careful.
Still gonna go. But PM stanti pi bon kon ya. Still em dap moute ya. Bayo vin pi to skon ya.
Abundance because my energy is sovereign. The shift isn't in the world, it's in
guys, nous fait lever descendre. Ça est un bon exercice. Okay? That was good. Whew.
See, they come down on the bikes from the steep place.
Par contre, comment je fais ça? Because
Man, ti moun ga ou fo.
je ne peux pas monter en l'air avec bicyclette.
Like so. They crazy.
Whew. Oh my God, you guys. Got on hike. Pourquoi nous faisons une temps?
You know done?
Oh,
Look out
poussière.
for 45 minutes coming.
Mhm.
45 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
Like 45 minutes and nous déjà fini. Good job. Good
Even
job,
there
Eric.
is
Good
doing a
job.
good
Let's
job.
go.
Okay, so nous là pour next destination nous qui c'est Walmart.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Walmart. Let me get this real quick. Plug that in there for me.
Pendant nous today, on a just fait ça pour nous faire avant nous de la caille.
Yeah.
Parce que under net, you guys. So next destination Walmart. It's still ABONE. On m'a commenté là-bas quand nous arrivons à Walmart là. Is he okay? 15 minutes. Ok, pas loin. 15 minutes et puis tout. 15 minutes pour Walmart là.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
I think we might get it last. Nous n'a quitté ça pour nous faire last. Parce que nous avons l'autre bail pour nous faire. N'a pas un dernier. Oh, we might have to get it first. We don't know. N'a check it pour nous. Sinon, no Walmart on va oublier.
Yeah, okay. Jeff dit qu'il y a un autre bagage qu'il va faire, so maybe n'a pas faire ça on va acheter chaise là. But I don't know, you guys. Comment va me faire? Pas connais non. But n'a pas lui.
Descendre là pour nous acheter un Chick-fil-A. On va nous acheter bagay pour challenge. Parce que nous avons acheté un paquet de bagay pour différents challenges n'a fait. Pour channel nous, channel ça et channel anglais nous. So manger avant qu'il n'y ait pas de bagay parce que nous tout pas grand.
Vous savez exercise and then what my Chick-fil-A?
I'm hungry. Yeah, I'll eat Chick-fil-A and anything right now. My mother Chick-fil-A, can't put bagay ko niya. I'm going to
You guys. Jeff fait ce marché au monde.
In about 1.5 miles, take exit 15 toward Main Street.
Manger lui,
Too hungry. Ubaka pa manger.
One time again, tu m'as jamais laissé tomber. Jesus, you dey give me love I have never seen. Since ofata konje, yokuridimbira uitekimana. Namubiye bigo yesu kumadutesa. Kugenda na yesu niko kutesa. Yanesha juru for the dance like this. Akira yesu chuza tutambe, akagufeki ngumonezera. Danse comme ça, bouge comme ça. Ta vie c'est mambo yokuririmba kompanara babaliwe. Moi je danse comme ça. Danse comme ça, bouge comme ça. Ta vie c'est mambo yokuririmba kompanara babaliwe. Moi je danse comme ça.
The regular or the spicy one?
The regular.
And is it gonna be meals?
Yes.
What do you want the beverages to be?
One Dr. Pepper.
I'll take a strawberry lemonade.
Okay, then is everything on the sandwiches okay?
One is no tomatoes and both no pickles.
Okay, so only one no tomato then?
Yes.
Yeah.
No pickles. Okay,
And can we also have one small mac and cheese
okay,
with a small fry?
okay.
That's it.
So again, the Chick-fil-A Deluxe meal with no pickles, fries, and Dr. Pepper, and then another Chick-fil-A Deluxe with no tomato, no pickles, fries, and strawberry lemonade, the small mac and cheese, and the small fry. Do you guys want any condiments?
The Chick-fil-A sauce.
Okay, then it's gonna be $34.95.
Okay.
They're still working on the order for you.
Okay.
So the lights you have,
Yeah.
does the car come like that, or you add something in it to do that?
Oh, they added to it.
Oh.
Some cars come like that. It's an option. You could get
Oh,
it.
really?
Yes,
Oh, that's
yes.
pretty cool.
Yeah, they.
Especially when you have kids in the car, they're
Oh,
really
yeah.
mesmerized by
Oh
it.
yeah.
It's all quiet.
She loves it. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank
have a
you.
good one.
Same to you. Thanks. All right. Bye.
Danse comme ça, danse comme ça, bouge comme ça. La vie c'est marrant, pour le coup, les bacs comme pas la babali. Moi je danse comme ça. Danse comme ça. La vie c'est marrant, pour le coup, les bacs comme pas la babali. Moi je danse comme ça. Hey!
Ok guys, so nou ap deside pou nan ale paske tout kote ke nou ale nan zon sa, nou pa jen nan e. Paske zon nan, I don't know koman nou fe tombe nan zon sa, but GPS active wali nan zon sa, and nou pa jen nothing. So, nan ale nan Dollar Tree, nou pa jen nan e. Five Below, nothing. Target la even worse. Target la makon koman moun yo fe achete nan Target sa, but anyways. Nou pa jen shares la, maybe se order pou nou del, or maybe tomorrow, na try pou nan in our store tomorrow. Paske nou pa bol lakay nou, so, se sa nou gen pou nou fe. Le nou rive lakay, nap get back home.
So baby, when you ready, hit my line. Tell me what you wanna do. I know you see I'm getting you. Don't let it get in the way. I know you gotta play games. Tell me what you wanna do. I know you see I'm getting you. If I pick it up, is it fast? When I know it's back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, think you in there. You ain't ready for this work now. Watch me, don't get, don't get, don't get, don't get, don't get, my ass too bad, too bad, too bad, my ass too bad. I like how she
Ok guys, nou fin manje, nou te pase un bon apre-midi. So kounye la nou pal fe kek video gaming pou short avek channel Ameriken angle nou an, avek yon pou channel an kreol nou an tou. Mkwe, padan ap gade video sa, challenge ap deja, sa se just padan nou ta prepare ki nou te rekorde sa pou nou. Jeff ap retire rest dekorasyon yo ki nou te gen ki rete. Gen tabla la ki nou pal set up. Kouman bat Jeff na game na, e na make sure Jeffrey pa vole game na men. You gonna win?
Yep, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Emo weekend. Mako si map dino de bilo sa wala. Map dino paske bilo sa Christmas fini for ale. Mede new one.
Yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so sa lang kita ti video sa. Thank you for watching. Probably if you like, probably if you comment, and probably if you subscribe avec the family. Pour on l'autre vidéo encore. Alright? Peace.